Hey buddy, Luxinda Swirl. I guess you can't really see my hands as well. Yes, I have a black canvas. Michael's was having a sale. I took advantage. We have some black canvases now. This is 16 by 20 inches, and as a result we need 20 ounces of paint. I have mixed up my neon colors because I thought neons would look particularly good on a black background. However, 3 ounces times 6 is only 18. So I'm going to supplement, but let's go through the neons first. These are all Liquitex Basics acrylic. I have fluorescent yellow, fluorescent blue, this is pretty straightforward, fluorescent green, fluorescent red, gosh, fluorescent orange, and you'll never guess the last one, fluorescent pink. Okay, so I have those. Those are prepped, and just to make sure we have enough paint, because I'm approximately 2 ounces short according to all of these measurements. I'm grabbing my light blue permanent, my brilliant purple, and my metallic cobalt blue, just to give us a couple more ounces if we need it. And today, not only are we doing brilliant fluorescents or neons on a black canvas, but we are going to do a funnel ripple pour, because why wouldn't we? Right? So I'm just going to start layering paint. When I'm done, I'll be doing the ripple effect by lifting and putting the funnel back down in the paint or on the canvas. It produces usually, hopefully, a ripple pattern, and we will tilt. Let's see what we get. I guess I put a little puddle to start. Okay. This is not a dirty cup pour. This is going to be a clean pour, sort of. I guess the cup is the funnel, but we're going to pour into the funnel without a cup involved. Alright, just to make sure I have enough. I can always put some of this around the edges. Oh, you know, I should do that. Well, let's see what we get first. We should be okay. Alright, now time for the funnel ripple. Ready? All right, here's what I'm going to do now. Scrape the rest of all of these out around the edges. Oh yeah, I like that. You know what? Let's go in for a close-up. Sorry about the glare. I'm going to turn that light off because I can see better with it on. Isn't that lovely? Neon rainbows. Isn't that lovely? I know I said that already. Isn't that? Never mind. Look at the cells. How fun is that? It's like well, it's like a neon galaxy is what it is. Cool beans. Okay, and now we tilt. This is a big one. Whoops, I'm losing my tripod. Ready, folks? Ooh, dang, that is gorgeous. Okay, let's go in for our close-up. Lower right-hand corner, up the right side, I just love this corner. That is just beautiful. Upper right, across the top, upper left, down the left side, to the lower left corner, across the bottom, and then to the whatever this is in the middle. This is beautiful. All right, now I'm going to have to get up on a step stool, I think, to give you the full picture. And there's the entire picture. Oh boy, this was so cool and so much fun to do. I love funnel ripple pours. Just love them. What do you think, folks? Do you prefer black canvas paintings or white canvas paintings? I'm not sure which I prefer, but this is just stunning. Thanks, everybody. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.